The Tesla Cybertruck's chromatic conundrum, exploring the best colors and their impact. The Tesla Cybertruck, with its polarizing yet undeniably striking design, has sparked countless debates since its unveiling. While its angular aesthetics are a primary point of contention, the choice of color plays a surprisingly significant role in how the vehicle is perceived. The Cybertruck's unconventional shape interacts with color in unique ways, transforming its appearance from futuristic spaceship to brutalist monolith, depending on the hue. This article delves into the best colors for the Tesla Cybertruck, considering their visual impact, practical considerations, and the overall aesthetic they contribute to the vehicle's bold design. The base model, stainless steel, a statement of brutality. The original and perhaps most iconic Cybertruck color is its brushed stainless steel finish. This isn't simply a paint job, it's the actual material of the truck's exoskeleton. This choice immediately establishes the Cybertruck's identity: raw, industrial, and unapologetically functional. The stainless steel finish reflects light in a complex, almost shimmering way, accentuating the sharp lines and geometric forms. This makes it particularly striking in bright sunlight, giving it a futuristic, almost alien appearance. However, the stainless steel finish isn't without its drawbacks. It's susceptible to scratches and dents which, while potentially adding to its lived-in character for some, might be undesirable for others seeking pristine condition. Its maintenance requirements are also unique, demanding specific cleaning techniques to avoid damaging the surface. Ultimately, the stainless steel Cybertruck is a bold choice for those who embrace the raw, unrefined aesthetic and are willing to accept the trade-offs. Beyond stainless steel, exploring the painted options, Tesla has introduced color options beyond the stainless steel, each significantly altering the Cybertruck's visual personality. The impact of these colors hinges on how they interact with the vehicle's stark geometry. Black. A black Cybertruck transforms a vehicle into a stealthy, almost menacing presence. The darkness minimizes the reflections and emphasizes the sharp angles, creating a sense of solidity and power. However, black can sometimes make the already imposing size of the Cybertruck appear even larger and more overwhelming. Practicality-wise, black shows dust and dirt more readily. White. In stark contrast to black, a white Cybertruck projects a cleaner, more futuristic aesthetic. The white surface reflects light more evenly, softening the harsh lines somewhat and giving it a more approachable appearance. This color option might be preferable for those who find the stainless steel and black options too aggressive. However, white may also highlight imperfections more easily than darker colors. The impact of color on perception. The Cybertruck's design is inherently polarizing. Color significantly influences how people perceive and react to this unconventional vehicle. The choice of color can alter the perception of size, aggression, and even approachability. Size and presence. Darker colors like black tend to make the Cybertruck appear larger and more imposing, while lighter colors like white can make it seem slightly less overwhelming. Aggression and attitude. The stainless steel and black options project a more aggressive and assertive stance, while white suggests a more refined and technologically advanced feel. Approachability. White might be perceived as more approachable and less intimidating than the darker options. The future of Cybertruck colors. Tesla has hinted at the possibility of expanding its Cybertruck color palette in the future. The introduction of new colors could further diversify the vehicle's personality, potentially appealing to a broader range of tastes and preferences. The possibilities are vast, ranging from vibrant metallics to subdued earth tones, each potentially transforming the Cybertruck's aesthetic in unexpected ways. Conclusion: choosing the right hue. Ultimately, the best color for a Tesla Cybertruck is subjective and depends on individual preferences and priorities. The stainless steel option offers a unique, raw aesthetic, while black and white provide contrasting alternatives. Considering the visual impact, practical considerations, and your own personal style is crucial in making the right choice. The Cybertruck's bold design ensures that whatever color you choose, you'll be making a statement. The Cybertruck's chromatic psychology. Which color best suits the human mind? The Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle as divisive as it is innovative, presents a fascinating case study in the psychology of color and design. Its unconventional, angular form challenges traditional automotive aesthetics, and the choice of color significantly influences how the human mind perceives and interacts with this unusual vehicle. While personal preference undeniably plays a major role, exploring the psychological impact of different Cybertruck colors can offer insights into which might be most appealing or conducive to a positive user experience. The science of color perception. Before diving into specific Cybertruck colors, it's crucial to understand the basic principles of color psychology. Colors evoke different emotions and associations, influencing our mood, behavior, and even our cognitive processes. These effects are complex and vary depending on cultural background, personal experiences, and the specific context. However, some general associations are widely recognized. Warm colors, reds, oranges, yellows, often associated with energy, excitement, passion, and even aggression. They can be stimulating and attention-grabbing, but can also be overwhelming in large doses. Cool colors, blues, greens, purples, typically associated with calmness, tranquility, serenity, and trust. They can be soothing and calming, but might also be perceived as cold or distant. Neutral colors, whites, grays, blacks, these colors often convey feelings of neutrality, sophistication, or even power depending on the context. Black, in particular, can be associated with both elegance and mystery, while white represents purity and simplicity. Analyzing Cybertruck colors through a psychological lens. Let's analyze the available and potential Cybertruck colors, stainless steel, black, white, through the lens of color psychology. Stainless steel. This unique finish occupies a liminal space between colors. While technically metallic, its brushed texture and reflective properties introduce a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. This can be perceived as both futuristic and industrial, evoking a sense of innovation and ruggedness. The unpredictable reflections can be stimulating and engaging, but might be overwhelming for some. The raw nature might appeal to those who value authenticity and unfiltered aesthetics. Black. A black Cybertruck projects an aura of power, sophistication, and even mystery. Black is often associated with authority, control, and elegance, which could appeal to those seeking a strong and imposing presence. However, it can also be associated with negativity, aggression, and even a sense of intimidation. The lack of reflectivity could make the already angular design appear even more monolithic and imposing, potentially inducing feelings of confinement or claustrophobia in some individuals.